We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
This is an article that I like a lot because I love coffee. But you know what? Coffee gives both a physical and mental lift. In a new study recently, researchers gave men between the ages of 26 and 47 2 cups of coffee or a similar amount of caffeine. And you know what? After the Java boost, the subjects were given an MRI scan and detected an increase in the brain's short-term memory and attention span. In addition to coffee and tea, many popular soda pops and chocolate are also rich in caffeine. So that's something very interesting about coffee. And Alice, let's hear it in Hakka.
好，冇問題，咁你要注意聽咯。
Okay.
科學家本身命嘅兩個細粒兒，啉下了2杯嘅咖啡，或者係啉茶、啉汽水嘅方式來入起咖啡因，結果佢就發現咖啡因就得增強大腦中嘅短暫記憶、和注意力功能哦。
這真的是非常有趣耶！咖啡因竟然有這樣子的好處，當然喝太多可能也不好，對不對？
冇錯。
醜啊哈！Let's use this article and try to find a few vocabulary words here so we can teach our audience about Hakka. 我們來舉一些這個報道裡面的一些生字來教一教，要不要？我們先從咖啡嘛，之前就講咖啡。的咖啡嘛，簡單嘛，咖啡，
然後咖啡要連在一起哦，加一杯就變加一杯咯，就不一樣了。
哦，真的嗎？咖啡加一杯就是咖啡加一杯，
咖啡加一杯。
Oh, I like that. Okay. Well, since there's a memory boost, let's talk about 記憶 memory. 記憶 that's memory. Okay. 好，再來，我們這個 article 裡面呢，也有提到其他的一些飲料，也有可能會有咖啡因，比如說有汽水，對不對？
He sweet.
He sweet. He is very sweet. He is very sweet， 就是很都漂亮嘞。He sweet 是汽水，對不對
？He sweet 是汽水。
很多時候這個Hakka聽起來好像英文跟台語哦。That means he sweet is soda pop. Okay. How about 茶？
茶。
這簡單茶。That's tea. All right, well, why don't we do a review of all the vocabularies that we learned? Going back to coffee.
咖啡。
咖啡。再加一杯，因為聽起來像咖啡。That means one more cup.
咖啡加一杯。
記憶 memory.
記
憶 that's memory.
He sweet.
He sweet. I remember that one. That's soda pop. And finally, we have 茶. 茶. That's tea. So there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺自 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.